of the 6-Day Vegan Reset. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked what you saw today. And if you did, if you want to try out some of these recipes, I invite you to do the 6-Day Vegan Reset with me. This is a meal plan program that I came up with on my own, all my own recipes. And it's strategically made to rev up your metabolism, regulate those hormones, and lose some weight, okay? It's a perfect way, if you're curious about the vegan lifestyle, this is a perfect way to just jump in and try it out, okay? So I want you guys to do this with me. I'm going to leave all of the information in the description box below, and I hope to see you guys. Reach out to me if you guys have questions. I'll see you guys tomorrow for what we eat on day 3. Have a good day. Go spread some happy.